Now, let's make all of this personal. Let's move from the general idea that attacks happen to businesses to asking the specific, powerful question: could this attack work on my business? This is your practical exercise. It's time to take theory into your reality. Step 1 is a mental walkthrough. Ask yourself, could this attack work on my business? Pick one scenario we discussed, like the phishing email that leads to ransomware. Now walk through it slowly, thinking about your own company. First, initial access. How do you and your team handle unexpected emails with links or attachments? Is there a pause, a moment of doubt, or is clicking the default reaction? Second, credential access. Do you use strong, unique passwords for your important accounts? Is multi-factor authentication, that extra code on your phone, turned on and used? Third, impact. If the worst happened, do you have reliable, recent backups of all your critical files? And are those backups stored completely separately so ransomware can't touch them? Your honest answers to just these 3 questions will light up your potential weak links in that attack chain. This isn't about judgment, it's about honest awareness. Now prepare for step 2, CHI scenario-based risk scoring. After you've done that personal reflection, this is where you move to the CHI platform. Inside CHI, there are models of these exact common attack scenarios, with names like business email compromise or ransomware infection. By running one of these scenario-based risk scores, CHI does something remarkable. It evaluates your current security controls against that specific attack playbook. It doesn't just give you a scary yes or a comforting no. It gives you a nuanced score and a crystal clear report that shows you 2 things: which defensive steps you already have in place, celebrating your strengths, exactly where the critical gaps are that would allow the attack to move from one stage to the next. This turns a frightening news headline into a manageable, actionable report card for your business. It replaces anxiety with clarity. And with that, we wrap up Module 2. You have now peeked into the attacker's playbook. You understand that attacks are a step-by-step process. You can name the most common techniques. And most importantly, you see that they succeed by preying on human and procedural weaknesses, not just magical digital ones. This knowledge is truly empowering. You are no longer defending against a mysterious, invisible boogeyman. You are preparing for predictable patterns. You know the script. In Module 3, Building Your First Line of Defense, we will take this awareness and translate it directly into action. We will roll up our sleeves and cover the essential practical controls you can put in place to break the attack chain at its earliest and weakest points. But first, make this knowledge your own. Engage with the practical exercise. Think about those scenarios for your business. Let CHI show you your unique exposure. The path from feeling vulnerable to becoming resilient becomes clear only when you know exactly what you're up against. We'll see you in Module 3.